time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' bite like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyotas. I'ma hit the.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl from Glam by Jay. If this is your first time viewing my channel, please make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, jingle that bell so you'll be notified each and every time that your girl upload. And if you're coming back to ride with me, welcome back. So today, what I have here in front of me is my March Boxy charm. Now don't judge me. I know I'm late with this. I get it. We in April. Okay. But it's better late than never, right? Exactly. So anyway, we're going to get to it. So hopefully you're familiar with Boxy Charm. I'm opening, by the way. Hopefully you're familiar with Boxy Charm. Basically, it's a subscription service of makeup type products that you can go online and you can sign up for. Each month they bill you. Each month they send you out the box that looks like this. That has approximately anywhere from 4 to 5 full-size makeup products or body power products. We're going to just say cosmetics, okay? Full-size cosmetics. I'll put all the information in the description down and below in the description box. So if you're interested in it, feel free to go ahead, sign up for it if you want. I've been with them for probably a year now, and I like it. It's okay with me. I really don't have any complaints about it, you know. So, but at the same time, it's one of those things where you know, it comes with the good and the bad, just like anything else. It don't mean that this is just totally bad. It don't mean it's totally good. It hit and miss with anything, so I won't judge it. But this month's theme box is La Vie en Rose. Okay, maybe I pronounced that wrong. Maybe I didn't. Who knows? Anyway, this is a card that comes with it. It has a description of all the products that's inside the box. And for this particular box, we have 5 products in here. And it says that it has a Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. So, okay, we're working with a face palette for this month. So let's see, face palette. So it looks like, this is the palette. It looks like it may have come open some kind of way because I have some residue, some powder on top of my box. So, okay. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and open this up. Yeah, about that. So, it's damaged. I wouldn't say beyond use. There is one that is just crumbled to completely crumbled. So as you can see, this is it, and it came damaged pretty good. And this is kind of interesting because it's my first time ever, and like I said, I've been with them now for a well over at least a year, and this is my first time ever getting a product that's actually damaged. But yeah, so anyway, inside of this palette, it has what they call highlighter, a contour, a finishing powder, a bright liner, a highlighter, and another blush. And it, as I said, it's pretty damaged or whatever. I can still use it, but there is one that's completely in shambles, so therefore I won't be able to use that one. Next is and this palette retails for $45. It says 6 must-have complexion essentials and 1 travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt and with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. So more than likely I won't be able to use that because it's all broken. Oops. So next we got the, it says it's from Wonder Beauty, Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So it's a peel off mask. So that would be this right here. A mask. And it says containing a blend of skin loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. So I'm not a mask user, to be honest with you. I have never used a mask. So this would be interesting for me to use for my first time. So I would definitely let you all know how this go out. As a matter of fact, I'd see this in another video, applying this mask and seeing how it go, okay? Maybe a skin care routine or something like that. I think it's coming. Go ahead, and before we go any further, if you would like to see me do a video of my skincare routine utilizing this mask that I've gotten, go ahead and spam my comments and let me know that yes, you would like to see. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see me do a skincare routine using this mask. Okay, the third product is by Moda Brushes. It says Powder and Soft Glow Kit. So that would be this one right here. And again, you can see it has some of the residue from the palette that was in here on it. A lot of it. I gotta really wash my hands right now. I guess I need to start keeping some wipes in here, especially if I'm gonna be, if I'm gonna be using this for filming and I'm gonna be opening makeup. So this set is a dynamic duo with two beautiful brushes designed to give you a graceful and glamorous look with elegant rose gold tapered handles and synthetic two-toned white to umber colored fibers. This Moda Boxy Charm exclusive set is a must-have for any beauty collection. So it says that it's a, you can utilize one brush to pat translucent powder onto the face to create a flawless finish. So more than likely when you're applying your setting powder or you're baking, as a lot of people say, you can utilize a brush. And then there's a soft glow, sweep a luminous glow onto the high planes of the face using a highlighter for a lit from within look. So I love the color of these brushes. Look like they're a rose gold, and rose gold is one of my most favorite colors. So yes, here's the one that you would use for the highlighter, and this is the one that you would use for the setting powder. So these are very pretty. So you put that in the trash. And next product we have is from Ofra, Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, which would be this one right here. And the color is a Monaco. This is Monaco. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's very pretty. So this is a very pretty color. I would put some on, but I already have one on lipstick, so we ain't gonna do that today. But definitely this is a pretty color, and it has like a shimmer to it. It says Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. And this one retails for approximately $20. And I'm going to go back and let you know how much everything else retails for. And last but not least is this product right here. It says it's by Manna Kadar. It's a Bloom Mascara. And I love the container, how it looks. I love the tube. It's not the plain tube. It actually has a nice little flair to it. Obviously, it has a plastic protectant on there as well. I just broke through it. And so this is the mascara. It looks pretty good. It says Manna Kadar's Bloom Mascara delivers an intense lengthening and volumizing effect to your lashes. It's cruelty-free formula, has a built-in primer, and make sure it grabs those hard-to-reach lashes. The round tip works to ensure an easy application without leaving any clumps behind. So, okay, always sound good. It has some of the keywords that you're looking for in mascara. That is saying the, you know, when we're talking like the lengthening of your lashes, the volumizing of your lashes, those are the words that you want to hear when you're shopping for a mascara, of course, and it says it here. And not to mention also, it says that it is cruelty free. That's always good as well. So that is all of our products for our March 2019 Boxy Charm subscription. Again, you have a Manna Kadar Blossom Bloom Mascara that retails for $29. It better be good. $29? It better be good. And you also have the lipstick that's right here. That's by Ofra, and it retails for $20. You have your two brushes, Powder and Glow, that came with the powder brush and the highlighter brush. That's by Moda Brushes, and these retail for $29.99 as a pair. You have your Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask that retails for $34. And last but definitely not least, you have your Cover FX palette. It's a Perfector face palette that comes with a highlighter, a finishing powder, a brightener, and a contour. And like I said, mine was damaged, but this retails for $45. So again, like I said, if you could just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see me do a video of my skincare routine utilizing this mask. And as always, please, please, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. You spam my comments and tell me if you got this box. Did you like the products in it? Did they work for you? Did they not work for you? I want to know.